Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So today's trading session, we attacked FB, Meta, Metaverse, whatever you want to call it, and we'll call it Facebook because they still haven't changed their ticker yet. So that's that. So what do we do today? Let's go over it. Let's go over it right here. Let's go over to the big screen. So if I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my other screens up here. So just bear with me. So what do? Let's open this up here so that you guys see it. I'm on the 1 minute chart. So let me make it a little bit more clear for you. Let's go to the 5 minute chart so that you can see it. So this is what we did. We're going to wait. So we drew the box right here. You see the box? And we're looking at pre-market 219, low 60. When the stock opens up, here's where it opens up. Right here, just under the box. So let me break it down to a 1 minute chart for you, because that's how I do my trading, on the 1 minute and the 2 minute chart. So I'll make that a little bit more clear for you. All right. So when the stock opens up, where does it open up? It opens up under the box. So when it opens up under the box, we know it's going to be a short. But remember what I've always said. If it opens up like way below the box, like it did here, we know that it's going to go into either A, an uptrend, or B, it's just going to like tank right out of the gate. So what did Facebook decided to do? Well, we wait, right? Facebook decided to make a little bit of a challenge, make a little bit of a rip. So as it ripped, it's ripping up to the box, right? So that's what we don't want to see. The only reason we want to see it is if we're going long and we're very bullish on Facebook at the moment. So as you see here, I'm mapping out all my price levels. And I bet if I threw a Fibonacci retracement on here, you would see that my price levels or my gravity points where the stock has to go up and come back to is pretty accurate. So I don't use anything other than what you're seeing on my charts, because I like to keep my charts super clean. So what does Facebook do? Facebook punches right through all this muck. This is resistance, right? Facebook punches through it, hits a high, then tanks, right? Consolidates right here, then busts out again to try to hit the high of the day again, and then tanks. So what do? We gotta wait, right? So let's go over what we did. So here's the text alert I sent out to my members today. So it's bought to open 11 Feb 22, 215 strike put. I'm not going to tell you what we paid for it at the limit order. Plus 30% profit, stop losses minus 10%, 951. That's when they got the trade sent out to their phones. So let's go over to 951. And right here, 951, that's when we get in, right? So there's consolidation right here. Then there's another challenge, which I knew there would be another challenge because just the way it was bouncing, because this is consolidation, right? And this is in that trap zone where you don't want to be in. But I'm looking at what's happening here and here and what happened here, and I know what my levels are. So when we get in, there's some chop. It gets up, challenges twice. Then this candle here was perfect because that's what I wanted to see. And this just proceeded to tank, and it just ripped to the downside. So if you kind of look at that, and look at that beautiful movement, right? Look at that beautiful drop right there. Oh, look at that. That's what you want to see, that area right there. So when we come over here and I put my absolute stop out, right, which it broke through my stop, but I was very confident in what was going on. So let's come over here. Where was it? 950, what was that? 951, they got the text. So right there, 951. So let's come over here, 951. So right here, as you see, right there, that's the little bit of a chop zone that we got to deal with. And then that's how it broke through right there twice. But like I said, we knew what was going on. So I wasn't panicking. I was at the button right here to exit my order, already put into place, and I was just watching it. And then I was looking at the rate of change, and I was just like, you know what? This thing is going where I want it to go. My option is going where I want it to go. So that was my low, that was my high. And then you see here, it just ripped, right? So that was a beautiful move. So come over here so you can see what I made, all right? Show you what I made today. So it was 2100 on a put. So don't steal my stuff. You see it right there, February 11th, 2022, 215 strike put. And you'll see the high. The high was right here, 410, right? 305. So that was a very, 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 very good bullish movement. So let's see. Probably right around here. Yeah, I know when I got out. It was like right around there I got out. So right around the highs there. Just not at the top of my 305 or 310 would be the 30%. But you know what? For the amount of contracts that I bought, very good for me. Very happy with the trade. You can't beat that. I'm not going to knock that one bit, right? So, you know, once again, do you have a real account? Yeah, absolutely. Everything's real. It says right there, margin, right? If you're looking over here, why does it say partially delayed data? Well, don't worry about it. It's real live account. Stock is in real time. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time feed. Futures and futures options, I don't trade them. I don't need the feeds on. They're always going to be delayed for this particular account, so I don't worry about it. Forex, real-time, others in real-time, so real-time account. Somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link. Head on over to our site, and I'd love to have you as a member. Smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. And let's help you become a very profitable trader. You can see my trades, a timeline from last year, I believe September 2021, when I opened up my YouTube channel and we started posting. So you see what we do here, and it's the real deal. Members are super happy. If you've gone over to the sales page, you'll see. All right, so that being said, my name's Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.